Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add contacts to your address book in Microsoft Outlook. So for common contacts, it might be a good idea to have an address book set up and you can just add your contacts to there. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the little people icon down in the bottom left corner. It shows a couple different people stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and select that. And then at the top, you're going to go ahead and select where it says New Contact. Go ahead and left click on that. And now at this point, you're going to go ahead and fill out whatever information you want to fill out for that individual. And then you can add them. So I'm just going to just type in a name here. And you can also add a profile picture for them as well if you want to add a picture. You can add them to a category as well of different colors. I mean, there's a ton of options you could really go through here, and most of them should be pretty self-explanatory, I should say. And that's pretty much it. You will have to save and close once you're done. And it should appear alphabetically in your contact list here once you're done saving it. And if you ever want to modify this, you can select the three-dot icon next to that account and select where it says Edit Outlook Contact, and then you can go ahead and edit or modify information through here. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.